Hi everyone and welcome to my unboxing of the bigger evolved comic block. Now the previous comic block was this size, which is pretty small. Now it has gone to this size. So let's open up and see what's inside it. Now I just get my knife. Yeah. Wow. This is cool. The first thing out of the block is the t-shirt, and it is pretty nice. Super. As you can see, Superman in the middle, and yeah, that's a neat design. I like that. So that's the t-shirt. Next we have a Funko Pop, and it is Superman from Batman v Superman. Let me just take it out of the box. And there you go. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So that's a nice Superman figure. Next we have a Dorbs figure, and it is Wolverine. Now, these Dorbs figures, as you can see, are very cute. I'm not that great of a fan of them, but they are pretty nice though. So, a Dorbs Wolverine figure. So that's cool. Next, we have an April Fool's kit. And in it, there is Mr. Freeze's Ice Babies, which are basically just imitation ice cubes with little spiders in them. And there is a whoopee cushion with Harlequin in it. Now I think these were in a previous nerd block, if I can remember. But there you go. A nice little novelty. Now, next we get on to the comics. And the first comic out of the block is Superman comic. Issue number 50. And it is bagged and boarded, which I do like a lot. Now, let me just take this out. As you can see, and the artwork is very good as well. Next we have issue number 1 of Batman and Robin, DC Comics Essentials, bagged and boarded as well. And the artwork is very cool. And if we flip it around, we have DC Comics graphic novels, and it's just basically advertising all their graphic novels to date. So that's pretty cool. Number 1, Batman and Robin. And the last comic is issue 1 as well, bagged and boarded, and it is Batman The Dark Knight Returns, the Frank Miller comic. And there is some of the artwork for that as well. That's nice to get a 2. So very good. Well pleased with those. Next out of block, we have an art print. And it is an image of Adam West from the 60s Batman. So that's pretty sweet. That'll go on the wall. And lastly, we have looks like a glow-in-the-dark Batman v Superman sticker. So that's pretty cool. So all that's left is the info card and comic block March issue number 11, and they have the Funko Pop. You either had Batman or you could have Superman. So I got the Superman version, plus an exclusive Superman T-shirt, as you can see. Then we have the comics, Batman The Dark Knight Returns number 1, Superman number 50, and the Batman and Robin number 1. Plus the Batman print, the Funko Dorbs Marvel Wolverine, and the Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice sticker, plus the April Fool's jokes. And that was it for the block. I must say I'm well impressed. That was a very, very good comic block. Next month's block will feature the Avengers, plus the Flash and Black Panther, amongst other things. But regarding this block, yes, I am well pleased with that. Well pleased. To get actually 2 Funko Pops in it was very good. I said it costs $19.99 plus $12.95 international shipping, and go to www.nerdblock.com for more details. Until next time, all the best. Bye bye.